Okay, now we're ready to finish off our beautiful hand-tied bouquet. And again, what we're seeing here is a number of different sizes and shapes and colors, textures, all combined together in an interpretive spiral hand-tied bouquet. And as I said earlier, we can finish this off to make it an actual wedding bouquet, or we can make this into a bouquet that drops into a particular container. So if we're doing a hand-tied bouquet, we obviously need to finish off the basing as we see here. So what I'm going to do is start by taking 2 of the U-glue strips. And U-glue is an adhesive that comes in between, in this case, like a paper. And I'm going to add those to each side of my bouquet handle. Now you can see a little bit shiny there. And so let's do that again. U-glue is a great addition to our arsenal of mechanics. And it comes in strips, as you see here. It comes in the dashes, which are about the size of a fingernail, or it also comes in a long strip as well. So you choose which of the materials that you need and which is going to work best for the to accomplish the challenge that you have. And mine is that I want to cover the handle and keep that in place. You can see it's very sticky, which is going to work to our advantage. All right. Now, I've taken about 2 yards of the Berwick Ofray ribbon available from Pioneer Wholesale and Imports. And what I want to do is I'm going to stretch a piece about 1 foot, and I'm going to lay that right onto the handle of one side. There's the rest of it. There's the foot up here. Starting at the bottom, I'm just going to start wrapping the handle, and the side where it's not covered, it's grabbing that ribbon. And it's keeping it from sliding down. Easy to do. So and you can cover it in whatever material that you know, color-wise, whatever ribbon that you want to use. You could do it in multiple colors if you like. But I'm going to cover my handle here, get back to the top, and tie that in place. And you can see how easy that is to cover. But before I get totally finished on this, I want to add my collar. And that's the one we made earlier, where it's the ribbon flange covered. And I'm just going to slide that right on up into place. And you notice that when we did that earlier, I cut those darts around the center hole to accommodate however big that I wanted it to add on to that. And again, you can see how beautiful that those eucalyptus leaves come out. Add that collar, but it also gives it a very full impact as well. Now here's my streamers. You can leave those in place if you like. Tie a knot to finish them off. That one's a little long. I'm going to just tuck that in, tie it into place, put another knot in there. Again, not wasting material. That's what it's all about. Finishing off the edge. Just going to angle cut those. Make sure they're nice and clean. You can tell that one's a little ratty, so we want to make sure it's a finished edge onto. And we have our beautiful bouquet collared nicely. Edges wrapped, stems wrapped. take my vase, I can drop it in. Not that this was made for this vase, but you can see the idea. It could be a smaller glass vase, but it just coordinates and looks a part of our refreshing twilight. Gorgeous look. I like the way the ribbon kind of pulls out the grass coloration here. And you know, again, totally up to you. You could make it green and make it go totally away. You could add into the lavender tones, the purple tones, pull out something of the bouquet. But it's an easy way to make bouquet work using the hand-tied look, and also, you know, think about doing those permanent weddings because they're out there. And if you're not offering those either on your website or, you know, making your customers aware of it, they're going to go somewhere else. So make sure that your customers know to come to you for the beautiful permanent stylings, either as a you know, centerpiece, a door piece, or in this case, a gorgeous hand-tied bouquet. Thank you.